Hello friends, in this video, we are going to teach how to create your own voice assistant with the help of Python. So here we go. First open your command prompt or Visual Studio Code and install GTTS, that is Google Text-to-Speech. Like this. Follow the step. Now install another extension. That is PyAudio. Now we are going to open Visual Studio Code. Make a new file here. And now install another extension. That is PlaySound. You can also install it from a command prompt. Now we are ready to write our code. So follow the steps.
Hello the coding cave.